All right, so I'm at the tail end of my intermittent fast, and one of my favorite ways to reintroduce nutrition back into the system is this quick bowl that I like to make. It has cold smoked salmon that I get from Whole Foods. It's wild Sockeye salmon from Alaska. It's amazing. 4 ounces of that, and then I follow with organic avocado. Just scoop that out. And the other half. And a scoop of this beet kraut for good live probiotics. It has cabbage, beets, and caraway, Himalayan salt, carrots. I love this stuff. Adds a little flavor to it, but also a good probiotic aspect as well to help maintain that good active gut biome. Cayenne pepper. That's a little much, but I love the heat. It's a little thermogenic fat burner. Now, here's a kicker too, a little spirulina that I like to add. I like the flavor. It's just, spirulina is one of nature's highest, most dense sources of protein, but also vitamin A, C, K, B12, sodium alginate. So I had a couple scoops of that. And then a little bit of this Chipotle lime mayo made with avocado oil. Now I know that sounds like a little nasty to add mayo to this, and I've never been a big mayo guy, but the sauce and the flavor that adds, and it's just, what is it? It's cage-free egg yolks, it's organic vinegar, sea salt, organic lime juice, chipotle powder, lime granules, garlic, avocado oil, and rosemary extract. I mean, all those things are very, very good for you. And although that doesn't look that appetizing, I'm telling you, it tastes amazing. There we go.